Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create online courses with AI in 2025. So whether you are a teacher, coach, or entrepreneur, all tools can help you. AI tools can help you brainstorm course ideas, create content, design slides, and even generate video lessons automatically. So let's just get started. So first you can choose your course. You can pick a profitable course topic. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini AI to brainstorm turning ideas in your niche. So for example, you can go with this, generate 10 online course ideas for beginners in, let's say, digital marketing. Click on enter and the AI will instantly give you great options like this, for example. And after that, you can outline your course. You can ask AI to create a full course outline. For example, like this, make a 5 module outline for beginners guide to social media marketing. Hit that enter again, and here you can see the module. Now you can, after that, you can just turn the outline into lessons. You can use ChatGPT to generate scripts or Canva AI to make slides automatically. Or you can also use tools like Pictory AI or InVideo that will convert your script into narrated video lessons. So for worksheets, quizzes, and PDFs, you can try Canva or Notion AI, and they will design beautiful branded materials for your students in just a few clicks. And finally, you can just upload your content to platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or even Udemy. And AI helps you also create your course landing page, sales copy, and email campaign so you can start selling right away. And that's how you can create a complete online course with AI in 2025. If this was helpful, smash that love, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!